problem here. So the goal is to solve for x, but there is some tricky equation here and the exponent is somewhat negative. So bakit ganon? So paano natin gagawin yan? So ang gagawin natin dyan, we will disguise the y. We will discuss y as x raised to negative 1. So papalitan natin ng x raised to negative 1 ng y. So ang mangyayari dyan, so the equation becomes 3y squared minus 10y plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so now we can easily factor this one. So when we factor it, we have 3y minus 1 times y minus 3 equals 0. Okay, then finding the y here, the answer would be y equals 1/3, and also the other y would be y equals um 3. Okay? So, since ang y natin ay x raised to negative 1, we can change this one as x raised to negative 1 equals 1/3. Ano ba itong negative 1 na to? That is the inverse only, no? So, when we get the inverse, of course, ito mapapalitan din natin. So, basically, the x would be 3. Okay? Kabaliktaran ng 1/3 is 3. So, another y here is x raised to negative 1 is again. So, 3. So, get the inverse. The inverse would be x is equal to 1/3. Parang pinaikot-ikot lang tayo ng ating... So, by the way, yun yung final answer. 3 and 1/3. Okay? Stickman.